Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. The AirPods and case are charged, and your device has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Once done, place both AirPods in the open case next to the device. You press and hold the setup button on the case until the status light flashes white. This puts them into pairing mode. Make sure you're logged into the correct Apple ID if you want iCloud syncing. Otherwise, proceed to add them as a new Bluetooth accessory. You now focus on connecting and configuring. On iOS, tap the animated pop-up and follow prompts to enable features like automatic ear detection. On Android or PC, open Bluetooth settings and select the AirPods name. If the device doesn't appear, put the case into pairing mode again and refresh the device list. For advanced control, rename the AirPods and enable spatial audio or noise controls where available. Make sure firmware updates are applied by keeping them near your phone overnight. You finish by verifying core functions. Play audio, check microphone pickup in a voice memo or call, and toggle noise cancellation and transparency modes to confirm responsiveness. Once satisfied, confirm automatic switching across Apple devices via iCloud settings if you need it. If a feature is missing, make sure firmware updated and device OS is current. Troubleshooting tip: if anything fails, perform a full reset. Hold the case.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.